In the 1800s, a visitor came to our land and we welcomed her. Once she set foot in our land, the face of our country changed. She lured us just by showing us her back, and when she turned, we saw happiness written all over her face. She convinced us that we had flaws and weaknesses and told us she'd make us perfect again. She said she'd be here for us. Her feet kissed our sands and her lips uttered words we never heard before. She told us that her people heard our cries and the rhythm of our raw feet hitting against the soil. Our African hope before we were told about the white Jesus. Our hope, Kgosi Dijeje, just as we thought he'd save us, gave in to her. He was seduced by her happiness and her great use of words, but that wasn't enough, no. He loved the color of her skin and he wanted it. He desired the white man's skin. Kgosi Dijeje made us dance for her, convinced us to expose our talents to her, and so we did. We loved it. Our sun-kissed skin exuded raw innocence and radiated freedom. She loved it. She loved us. She loves it. And she loves us, but he, Kgosi Dijeje, despised the skin we wore, the skin he wore, his skin. In the midst of this, the seed of corruption and selfishness grew in his heart, mind, and soul. He saw nothing but his desires. He saw nobody, none of his people but himself. He saw her and loved the idea of her presence. Wasting no time, he utilized her and sold our treasures to her, our pearls, our diamonds, our roots, our culture. He sold us for nothing.